Hi Otters, I'm Cecilia with the Technology Help Desk, and these are your tech tips for Tuesday, courtesy of the Division of Information Technology here at Cal State Monterey Bay. We have a new addition to our IT ticketing system called Report a Problem. This is to make it easier for you to submit problem tickets when you are having a technology issue with CSUMB technology. Who can use the Report a Problem ticket? Any CSUMB student or employee can place a problem ticket. East Campus community members can also submit a cable problem ticket for issues with their cable or cable modem service. But how do you tell a problem ticket apart from a service ticket? A problem ticket is when something is broken and it needs to be fixed so work can be completed. A service ticket is for requesting something to more effectively perform a job or school-related work. An example of a problem would include not being able to log in because I got a new phone. An example of a service would be needing access to my department's email account. Another example of a problem would be the absence of sounds coming from the speakers in a classroom. An example of a service would be needing a new Google Share Drive. How can I find the problem ticket? Here are a couple of easy ways to find it. You can go to our webpage, csumb.edu/IT, and click on Tech Support. Report a Problem is first on that list. Or you can get to us by clicking on Tech Support, IT Tickets, from your CSUMB dashboard. Then click on the Report a Problem button under Division of Information Technology. Under the new Report a Problem tab, there are 8 services to choose from. Just select the category that best fits the problem you are experiencing, and then let us do the rest. Thank you for watching our Tech Tip Tuesday for this week. You can also visit us on the web at csumb.edu/IT or follow us on all social media at CSUMB_IT. Feel free to send us suggestions for future topics via our social media. See you next Tuesday, Otters.